Hi guys, so this is just a short clip of what I have been doing here since I got back home to St. Lucia. And this is just a clip of a day that I went to a farm, and I didn't anticipate that I would have ended up there that day, but I did. And this farmer was just showing us his beds of chives, what we call in St. Lucia, for some people they know it as tiloyo, and these beds just are so neatly done, so well organized, and it's obviously a very well taken care of farm. And he gifted us with some of the chives and a few other things like some sweet peppers, well, seasoning peppers. Let me get it right. Seasoning peppers, which is like, listen, I miss having seasoning peppers when I'm in Barbados because all you get is the hot variety. And these that we grow here, a lot of them are not hot, but they add some amazing flavor to your food and it gives it a distinctive taste. And I ended the visit with some coconuts that the farmer cut for us, and it was amazing. Amazing. Best water in the universe.
Got it?
Yeah.